Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KN News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about how far she went, why did the Moana film become such as a phenomenon, record-breaking box office of animated sequel show how the first film became an unlikely smash hit on streaming. If you want a quick explanations of why Moana is on target to gross more than $1 billion worldwide, it's already made $14 in less than a week. You need only to look back to 2023 when the original Moana, 7-year-old movie at the time, topped the list of the most streamed movie in the United States. The only other pre-2020 movie in the top 10 was Disney Slapmate Frozen, which made away from more in the theaters than the five Moana did. Moana also ranked fourth among all movies in the 2022 cycle in both 2021 2020. And well, that takes us to a beginning of its home services. Disney Plus, strongly 5 years ago, by this route by seemingly undeniable Matrix, it seems, has been able to claim that Moana, a movie that in 260 was outgrossed by both its fellow Disney release. Zootopia and its holiday season rival Sing is the most watched family film of the 2020 if Elisa from Frozen was the opening of the hang to the that particular title she may have to let it go. Of course Frozen will have a hypertonic hold on the younger most. Look at my Halloween of the past decade and you will see plenty of little Alice and a few Annas roaming the streets beyond Frozen, particular innovations of including not one to a singing princess, one with a bona fide a superpower. Disney animated movies have always flagged remarkable staying power, especially when they sing a catchy song. Moana has a princess of a sort, even if they claim that she just the daughter of the chef. A great song score featuring by contributor from Lin-Manuel Miranda of a Hamilton fame and a sweet, relatable story about that. The when she take it often herself to sequence navigate Mio Dinah Johnson to help save her native island. Still, even the rock playing that arguably being able to constantly outstream the blockbuster like a Frozen often use newer and also beloved titles such as in Canada. Like nearly every parent who I had a child since 2 10 or so, I have some experience in this area. My daughter was just 1 years old when Moana was released in the fall of 260, so he was barely ready to watch a movie for. But I went to the press screening to the final review and I thought I have enjoyed plenty of other Disney cartoon. I was struck my emotional response to this one. Watching Moana, a brave yet im- imperfect young woman take control of her destiny for her greater good and a comments with her departed grandmother around the film clinics. I thought of my daughter and a wept in my set and presidential election arrival a movie and sometimes city as a catching some adult audience in a unusually fragile place at the same time screen for the critical early, so I saw into in a more bold the hopeful time that found deeply impressing executive platform music to units streaming from here's disdainful left and allowed enemies of the corporate friendly Disney adult under one time, but I was not looking at Mona as a specific literary stand in so much a Disney princess that I did not need to approach with a affectionation mixed feeling a good but not impossible role model. When the movie came out on a disc, I bought it and Mona doll for good a mutual for my kid. It eventually became the first movie she obsessed over. Later she had a hardcore Eliza phase, but it was the introductory song in the Mona that as a toddler she interrupted into a wedding summary of their movie make way and in terms the movie itself that clearly played in her head when she was hired to the soundtrack as that she would at the end of how far I'll go clarifying what happened to Moana next. But while I probably did my daughter to word in the movie because you like it is an infections and even glib explanation for the Moana coalition which seems to count in the number something like a Julian children. There are plenty of movie I have shown my child that did not I get absorbed into her vocabulary as result in her liking Aladdin scene thanks to the unexpectedly Asia animation boy Jun Shiny. I do believe that there's some greater connection between this movie and its younger audience, maybe a rooted in the way that the movie distorts, especially try to observe what feel your expectations such as the more judge and the un- unpredictable pointing of Frozen on the expansion of a tagline to so much as a execute across culture story with the scenes apple mode. even wonder some later Disney project would get overly self-conscious and it essentially see last year's film and 100th anniversary present wish. But Mona has just the right him of self-awareness when the opening sequence show a baby Mona enthralled by the scary stories her people tell about that awaited beyond the reef and growing up with the adventuring spirit. Under here, no surprise that my daughter daycare class saying Flo, how fair I got at their graduation ceremony in 290 or that parents found themselves weeping over a Moana song. Yet again, that look toward the horizon is all our children entertainment from past Disney. I went song to Star Wars, but Moana distills it and it powerfully for the child and the parents, watching the child without trying it up in a violent conflict or the desire for romantic relationship. And Ja Miranda Fula Moana full disclosure college classmate of mine writes her hell of a catchy song to a articulate their primal during Mona to a coincidentally batterized a little of the expression of this year 260 Rio US election and as such fuel to movie me to tears to not be surprised if like Frozen 2, the sequel falls of House, year in a streaming chart in year 2 while the original liner on that are not entirely locked on the new movie such as the tribute to the first one which gives parents and child horizon to look toward even especially if a prince won't be a forthcoming. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.